Today is a pampering day for me, and I'm going to also make a quick tour of the Elms spa so you know what to expect. I hope you are well, and thanks again for tuning in. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Dans cette vidéo, on va faire un petit tour du spa ici à Elms, et je vais en profiter aussi pour bien me relaxer. Les massages sont toujours très bons pour notre corps. Donc, faisons le tour. Oh, we have Nicole here.
Hello.
So Nicole, can you just tell my viewers, of course, like the different services you guys offer?
Yeah. So we offer massages, facials, body treatments. We also have halo caves and detox suites and manicure and pedicures. And then all of those services, you get access into our grotto area with those services.
Right. Amazing.
Yeah.
Let's have a quick tour.
Perfect. Yeah. All the lines we have in here from QMS, Eminence, Circadia, before we all do in our facials.
Right.
First is our sanctuary. This is where guests go to get picked up for their services.
Okay. Oh, this looks relaxing already. Have some drinks here. Okay. So cool you guys down before we start.
Got some trail mix.
Right, some nuts. Lovely.
So this is just a nice lounge area for guests come to sit, hang out, and relax. And this is where they'll also get picked up for their services.
Okay.
And then we have some VIP lounges down here. So if we have like any bachelorette groups or anything like that,
Okay.
they can rent out one of these suites, these VIP suites.
Hmm.
Kind of have like a girls' day and relax.
Oh, amazing. Smells really nice. You feel like
better smell
sleeping. So you just come wait here for the staff to pick you up.
A massage, a facial, or
Right.
if you just want to relax and take a nap.
Right.
Here.
Oh, okay. Lovely. So this is pretty much like a waiting area,
Yes.
but a very cozy one, guys.
Very cozy. So beyond this point, this is where we tell guests to be electronic free and just kind
Okay.
of let everything go.
Okay, guys. So once you reach this point, make sure you read this. And you know why you're coming here in the first place is to relax your mind, relax your body, and just have a very peaceful time here. So pull the phone away, all right? And let's go.
That comes down, we make sure they get set with a robe and sandal. We have a full locker room, so we have
Okay.
lockers provided, showers, changing rooms,
Right.
hairbrushes, spray deodorant, anything you might need that you might have forgotten.
Okay, that's cool.
Get freshened up after your service. There is the grotto, so
Nicole, what is this heavy door?
So this is an original safe door from the first fire of the Elms. So the Elms has had 2 fires where the hotel is completely burned down. This is the 3rd Elm.
Really?
So this is an original
wow.
safe door.
Okay.
So just a neat little fact on that.
Now we're going to check out the salon.
Any services that go on?
Hi Marta. Tell us a little bit like the different things you do here in the salon.
Well, we do services as manicures.
Okay.
Pedicures. We have also the ultimate pedicure.
Right.
A little bit more in that.
Okay.
And then anything that you would like about nails and toes.
Right.
Yeah.
That's amazing. In case today is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you activate your bell so you can be notified the next time I drop a new vlog. Kindly like the video if you are enjoying it. Guys, I'll show you everything. So it's my own time now just to relax and enjoy. This is what the day pass looks like, and you can do all the treatment you choose to do. Going in the hot tub now. Self-care is a must. Time to time, we just need to do this. I'm happy we had a great and very relaxing time. That was our own pampering day. So time to time, don't forget to treat yourself. This is the end of the day. Finish with all the treatment here. It's so needed for us, especially moms, because we deserve it. We have a lot of things we need to do, so time to time is always good to have your own time and do your own thing. These are the different services they offer here. So next time, who knows, if you are on this side, check them out. That's how I'm going to end today's vlog. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, bye. C'est la fin du vlog d'aujourd'hui. J'espère que vous avez aimé le tour qu'on a fait ici à Elms Hotel and Spa. C'est tous les services qu'ils offrent ici. Donc prochainement, si vous êtes aussi à Elms Hotel and Spa, pourquoi pas essayer le service et vous pouvez me dire ce que vous en pensez. Mais c'était très bien pour nous. Spécialement nous les mamans, on en a besoin de temps en temps quoi. Donc j'ai passé un bon moment. Ok, au revoir. See you guys in my next video. Take care.